Laiannuo fully automatic bundle pipe cutting production line is a complete system designed for the automated cutting of pipes in large quantities. The system is typically composed of a set of specialized machines that work together to form an efficient pipe cutting solution. The production line is typically composed of the following machines. Pipe loading machine. This machine is used to load the pipes onto the production line. It can be equipped with a conveyor system that automatically brings the pipes to the cutting area. Pipe feeding machine. This machine is used to feed the pipes into the cutting area. The machine can be equipped with various systems such as rollers, clamps, and other mechanisms to ensure that the pipes are accurately positioned for cutting. Pipe end facing machine. This machine is used for facing the ends of pipes before they are cut. The machine typically uses a motor-driven milling head to remove any burrs or deformations on the end of the pipe, ensuring that it is clean and straight before cutting. Laiannuo bundle pipe cutting machine. This machine is used to cut the pipes. The machine is programmed to cut the pipes according to the required length, angle, and number of cuts. Pipe output machine. This machine is used to output the cut pipes after they have been cut. Machine can connect with output system to chamfering machine or burr machine by automatically. The benefits of using a fully automatic bundle pipe cutting production line include improved efficiency, reduced labor costs, and increased output. The system reduces the need for manual labor, ensuring consistent and accurate cutting throughout the production process. The system is also equipped with safety features to ensure the safety of the operators during the cutting process. Laiannuo company support one-stop pipe processing solutions for production line, like chamfering machine, shrinking machine, end tube forming machine and other production line. For more information please contact with Laiannuo directly.